NS Corporation is a vehicle wash manufacturer that manufactures equipment for cars, buses, trucks, trains, subway systems, you name it. We manufacture it.
We came across NS because they're the largest manufacturer of car wash equipment on the West Coast, and getting parts on time to keep our clients up and running, it's essential, and there's thousands of dollars on the line if we can't get them back up and running. So having a local manufacturer with reliable pricing and reliable manufacturing was a huge advantage.
You don't want to over-engineer things because the more moving pieces, the more room for error. I think customers appreciate that.
The improvements they've made from both a sustainability standpoint and an engineering standpoint gives me confidence that we're going to keep growing, help more people, and wash more cars, essentially.
Car wash and commercial vehicle wash systems by NS Corporation. For more, visit nswash.com.